So in this video now, we are going to be looking at the second aspect of our question, which is use your expansion, that is the expansion we got in question 1, to calculate the value of 1.02 raised to the power of 5 correct to 6 significant figure. Now, before we proceed, if you look at from our expansion, we got 1 plus 10x plus 40x squared plus 80x raised to the power of 3 plus 80x raised to the power of 4, then plus 32x raised to the power of 5. But if you look at this now, we cannot actually put this into that place because this is not yet the value of what? The value of x. So what does that mean? It simply means that before we can be able to use our expansion to generate answer for the expansion of this number now, we have to first of all find the value of our x. Now, what does it mean? First of all, we have to bring out this. So if we bring out this 1.02 raised to the power of what? 5. It simply means that we have to put it in the form, this form of number 1, which is what? 1 plus what? 2x raised to the power of 5. So if we are to put this number in that form now, we should have what? 1 plus 0.02 then raised to the power of what? Of 5. Are we there now? So we are now going to do what? A comparison between this and what we have here. So if we are to compare now, 1 is 1. So that means 2x will be equal to this. So that means from our comparison, we are going to have what? We are going to have 2x equal to 0.02. And then what will now be the value of x? The value of x will now be 0.02 divided by what? By 2. So our x will now give us 0.01. So this becomes the value of our x. And this is the value we are going to put into the expansion we got from question number 1. So what is now our answer? So we're now going to have it as 1.02 raised to the power of 5 is equal to, from our expansion, remember what we had. Okay, before here, this is what we had. We have this raised to the power of 5 to be 1 plus 10x plus 40x squared plus 80x to the power of 3 plus 80x to the power of 4 plus what? 32x to the power of 5. So that means this other question now, which is now 1 plus what? 0.02 raised to the power of 5 now will now be equal to, we are going to have 1 plus, we have 10. Now, what is the value of x we have here? 0.01. So we are going to bring 0.01 plus 40 into 0.01 squared plus what? 80 into 0.01 or what? To the power of 3 plus another 80 into 0.01 to the power of 4, then plus 32 into 0.01 to the power of 5. Now, if we expand now, this will be equal to 1 plus, if you times this by 10, you should have what? 0.1. Are we there now? We should have 0.1. Then plus, we're going to have 40. This should give us 0.0001. And then plus 80, we should have 0.000001. Then we should have 80 again, 0.000000. Are we there now? Then 01. Then the last one is plus what? 32, which should give us 0.00000. Are we there now? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then we have what? We have 1. Are we there? So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So by the time you now proceed further, now you now have 1 plus 0.1. So if you times here by 40, you should have 0.004. Yes. Then if you times here by 80, you should have 0.000. Are we there now? Okay. So minus 1 here. So for minus 1 here, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what we are going to get. Then if we also minus 1 here, we should have 0.000. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, and then we have 8. Then plus the last one, which is if we minus 1 from here now, we should have 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8. Then we have 3, 2. So you can use your calculator and do this. Okay, so with your calculator it will be easier. I'm not using calculator, so that's why I don't need to make the video lengthy by showing you so many other things. So from here now, what do? We now have to add all these numbers. Now how do we add? We have 1, then we have 0.1, we have 0.004, we have 0.00, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 8, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have 8, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, then we have 8 and this. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, sorry. So we have this, then we have 3, 2. So by the time you add now, you should have 2, 3, 0, 8, 0, 8, 0, 4, 0, 1.1. So our final answer should give us 1.10408032. Now remember, the so should give our final answer to what? To 6 significant figure. So that means the first number is the first significant figure, so we need 5 more. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 104081, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so to 6 significant figure. So this becomes our final answer. And that will now bring us to the end of binomial theorem. And if at all you have any question you want us to look at as far as this binomial theorem is concerned, please, you can do well to drop the question in the comment section, or maybe a screenshot of it, then we'll attend to you. Thank you, as I see you in the next video.